How to check for DDoS using top. Hi there. Today, I'll show you how to check for a DDoS attack using the top command. Let's get started. Step 1. Check load average. First, look at the load average in the top row. If you see a significant spike, like this, it could be a sign of a DDoS attack. Step 2. High CPU usage. Next, check for processes with high CPU usage. If you see processes like Nginx or HTTPD using a lot of CPU, it might be an attack. Step 3. High memory usage. Also, look for processes using a lot of memory. High memory usage by web servers can be another indicator. Step 4. Zombie processes. Don't forget to check for zombie processes. A high number of zombie processes means the server is overwhelmed. Stay safe. And that's how you use top to check for a DDoS attack. Stay safe, and keep your server running smoothly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.